time it is. It's Monday, August 19th. You're with your boy Doug, founder of 60 Gang on YouTube. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. The QR code to my channel comes up at the beginning of this video. Make sure you hit the notification bell for all. And then again, thank you for joining me. Happy birthday to those born today, August 19th. My condolences to those who did not wake up today. And what's up to my 60 gang? So, what we up to today? Taking y'all to downtown Atlanta. Why? Mike Abad, 60 gang member, gave me a call. See, he's having a problem with his GE washing machine. Said it's not draining. So, we're gonna head down to see my boy downtown. He right downtown Atlanta. So,
driving is so much like surfing, man. It's a transcendent moment in skill and a beautiful object meet a spark of energy. Let's get after it. In half a mile, turn left.
Call myself not doing nothing today, guys, but you know, sometimes when you least expect it, when you say I'm not gonna do nothing, it turns out to be one of your busiest days. Hope y'all guys enjoyed that trip to my mom's house. We went to go see Moms. She watches all the videos. Hey Mom, we'll be back to see you again when we go treasure hunting again.
In 0.1 miles, turn left. Turn left. I'm throwing it out there. What if we snuck away to the beach for a few hours? Who's really gonna miss us? We're not, like, depressed. In 0.1 miles, turn right. Turn right.
Installment of NNN where we give it to you straight with no chaser. Check it out. In the news this week, we had a plane in Brazil just tumble out of the sky, just out of nowhere. It was coming out the clouds and it just spun and just blew the up. But FYI, there were 8 doctors on there that were going to this cancer convention. They probably had the cure for cancer, all 8 of them, and had their papers, and they just miraculously all ended up on the same goddamn plane. Isn't that, don't that remind you of something? Don't that remind you of the bankers that got on the Titanic? Wink. Though all those bankers were against the Federal Reserve. And the Federal Reserve and all of them were supposed to get on there together, but at the last minute, the Federal Reserve motherfuckers got off the goddamn boat and left the bankers that were against creating the Federal Reserve on there, and mysteriously got hit by an iceberg. Wink. I'd like to send out some condolences to the family members of those doctors who actually trying to cure people rather than just keep them sick and, you know, giving them pharmaceutical companies all the petroleum pills that they keep pumping down motherfuckers' throat and chemotherapy. Yeah, let's just give them some radiation. Let's hit these motherfuckers with a nuclear bomb and send them home. For exclusive content, download Radiant right now, where we won't be fact-checked. Find Radiant on all the following platforms on your screen. All of these. There was a motherfucking fool, a goddamn idiot, that was climbing up the Eiffel Tower during the closing ceremony. Check it out. With no shirt on.
Dude climbing the Eiffel Tower. He just passed the blue ring. I don't think he's wearing a shirt.
Nah, he ain't wearing no shirt. Here's what I'm saying. I don't know what kind of drug they got over in France, but I don't want that. You know, if it's just gonna make you climb, you know, with half your clothes off and just nothing but metal and old steel around you, and, you know, goddamn static electricity, because that tower was designed to pull static electricity, free electricity out of the atmosphere, you know. But that's a whole nother story. Anyway, this motherfucker got shot and shot off that motherfucker. But, you know, Of course, the police took him down because he's white. If it had been a nigga, they'd have shot him off, but you know.
In 1 mile,
White, they
turn
tased
right.
him off. Hey, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Hit that button right there. That one right there, and that one right there. Yeah. Yeah, you know, they keep calling it break dancing. It's actually called breaking. The dancing part is null and void. It's just breaking. But there was an actual break dancer from Australia. She has a PhD in hip hop. I don't know where the fuck she graduated from, but she needed to go on and get her money back, because god damn, this
In 0.1 miles, turn right.
This motherfucker looked like Curly from the Three Stooges. What is this? Dancing by the numbers? 1, 2, 3, and 4. It was sad to see that, you know,
Turn right.
Australia, you know, just dressing like a normal painter. Looked like she's about to paint somebody's house or something. In the future, for the break-in contest, you might want to have some judges that actually break crazy legs, you know.
In 0.1 miles, turn left.
Actually put the work in. And put some uniforms on them. Goddamn, when B Street came out, they all had on the motherfucking Adidas sweatsuits. The other team had on their sweats. And put some uniforms. America, invest in some uniforms for our breakdancers and every other country. Put some uniforms on them to let you know what country they're representing. All right? And you can put it in B-boy style and all that shit. But, you know, put some shit on them. Yes, we were here with some sad news today on NNN, and we'd like to send out our condolences to the family members of the late, great Angel Salazar. Angel was a very good friend of mine, and he will be dearly missed. Well, I don't know if, I'm sure you've all seen this because you've been logging in to NNN. I'm sure you're saying that, are you sure you want to go to Eddie Griffin's page? Because the fact checkers have said that I'm dispersing false information. No, I'm delivering truth as I see it. Now, I thought YouTube was about opinions. That's why it's called YouTube. It's my tube. It's my YouTube, mother. Y'all can't tell me what to say and how to say it. You shouldn't have wrote freedom of speech if you didn't want mother to use that goddamn. Now, I don't know who the fact checkers is, but you need to check the facts and should send me a list of these fact checkers, because you don't have them. You lying sons of bitches. Yeah, where the f they getting their facts from? Facts are relative. God damn it. Is it a fact that a female can box a dude? Is it a fact that you can tell a kid that he can change his sex at 8, 9, 10 years old? Is that a fact checker? Are you not a male when you're born with 2 balls and a dick? Fact check that. Are you not a female when you're born with 2 ovaries and a clit? Fact check that, you fact checking motherfuckers. Oh yeah, and I'm going against community guidelines. What is the community guidelines, huh? Send me that. What community are you talking about? My community? Or your community? Or Chinese community? Or Asia's community? Or Israel community? What community are you talking about? UK community? What community? You don't like what I say, you don't have to be on my motherfucking network. That's all I'm saying. Freedom of choice. They can click on or click the fuck off, but stop trying to lead them in the click off motherfucking position. Before I sue you motherfucker, because you owe me goddamn money, you sons of bitches. Now, fact check that. Tat.
What else are you going to do to fix this problem with inflation?
All right, thank you. Well, let's start with this. Prices have gone up. And families and individuals are dealing with the realities of that bread costs more, that gas costs more.
She asked you what you're going to do about
What
inflation.
that means. That's about the cost of living going up.
You still ain't answered the goddamn question.
Stress.
What are you going to do about inflation?
That's about a source of stress for families that is not only economic,
She's talking
but
about
is on
inflation.
a daily level, something that is a heavy weight to carry. So it is something that we take very seriously.
We take.
Very seriously.
She asked you.
And we know from the history of this issue in the United
So
States.
you got
that when
2
you
or
see
3
these
motherfuckers inside of you? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Because you keep saying this is what we plan. Who the fuck is the we, huh? She asked you a specific question, and you danced around all this shit because you don't know what inflation, the definition of it really means, do you? It means the Federal Reserve keeps printing motherfucking money so the value of your dollar goes down. That's inflation. How do we get the dumbest motherfuckers? Oh, I know. The Rockefeller's education system. Yeah, I'm gonna educate you. Give them some useless information. If you get an A on a test, all you're saying is you are a highly programmable motherfucking idiot. That's it. If you get an F, they don't like you. Because you ain't down with the program. You ain't retaining the information that they trying to toss in your fucking brain. Because you know it's worthless. You so smart with that F that you become one of the biggest dope dealers on the block. Now that means the motherfucker gotta be good at math. He gotta be good at designing a business because he's doing his own manufacturing, his own packaging, and his own distribution. That's a smart motherfucker. You stupid ass A, I got an A. How about giving us some life skills like real estate? How about taxes? How about banking? How about generational wealth and how to acquire it? How about some of those life lessons? How about how to stay away from a doctor's office? Because they ain't into curing, they into killing and maiming. Pumping them pills so they can get them bonus kickbacks from the pharmaceutical companies. America got everything backwards. In China, that doctor don't get paid while you're sick. It gets paid when you're healthy. So the incentive is to keep your ass healthy so that they can keep making money. Ours is just the reverse. They don't get paid until we're sick. So the incentive is to get us sick so that they can keep getting paid. Supply and demand. So create the problem and become the solution. What's the problem? The food is poisonous. What's the solution? Feed them some more poison. Go to your doctor. Let me prescribe the particular poison of your choice. We'll be right back.
You went on to say that you did not want your money going to immigrants who, quote, rape our kids and get priority, end quote. This offence is so serious that an immediate custodial sentence is unavoidable. Would you stand, please? The sentence that I pass has been reduced by 1/3.
In 1 mile. Keep right.
The sentence is one of 20 months imprisonment.
So it has begun. In the UK, they sentence a man to 20 months in jail for posting that he did not want immigrants coming, spending his money, his tax dollars, housing, and he said that they potentially raping his women and children. So, you know, there's 20 months. So England has become, a maniacal motherfucking dogma-ridden boy situation over there, because there ain't no freedom of speech over there, obviously. There ain't no freedom of speech on the internet. Now, here in the United States, I'm still gonna slang mine as long as we got this. Fact checkers, check that, motherfuckers. 20 months for just a post? What the f is the world coming to? Yo, you hypersensitive, made motherfuckers. He's talking about me. Show is. Talk back. Fuck out of here. Yeah, I remember we used to teach our kids.
In a quarter of a mile, keep right.
Never hurt you. Well, it seems to be hurting all these goddamn grown-up adult made motherfuckers. Kids can take jokes better than you motherfuckers. Shit, this is NNN. Speaking the truth.
keep right. In 1 mile,
USA
turn left.
took on the gold in basketball and the Olympics. Thanks to Steph Curry. Thanks to Steph Curry. I know the media are going to keep saying LeBron didn't do shit. Thanks to Steph Curry. Yeah, thanks to Steph Curry.
In a quarter of a mile, turn
Right
left.
family man, though. I like how he had his whole family on the side, and after they won, he jumped over and did a little special handshake with each one of them, kiss his daughter, all in. Yeah. I mean, you know, they never rehearsed that. Wink. That's this week's sports. Thanks, Steph Curry. Hey, this week's weather. Check it out. In Africa, it's beautiful. It's all over Africa. It's just beautiful because it's Africa. Soil's so fertile over there, you can spit on it and will grow. That's Africa. They've been lying to us like a mother. All they show is motherfuckers starving with flies on their eyeballs and shit. I've been there. They got some beautiful mother people over there. They got some beautiful mother women. They got some beautiful mother food over there. Real food. No GMOs. In England, you can't talk on the internet because they'll lock you up for 20 goddamn months. Plus, it's gonna rain 3 times a day. So in America, you know, hey, it's election time, so you know, you gotta pick a team, red or blue, blue or red, because that's the game, that's the hustle. Everything's a sport in America. You know what I mean? What's your team? Are you with the donkeys or are you with the elephants? You know what I mean? The jacket. Or the pick one, mother. Oh, and in China, better known as the future, because they actually invest in their infrastructure. Now they done created drones that go up into the clouds, seed the motherfucking cloud with moisture, and they can cause it to rain any day, anytime they want rain. Just like that. Yeah. How come we ain't got that here, you know, in Las Vegas where Lake Mead is going down, 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 down? We could use some rain right over the top of Lake Mead for like, you know, a couple of months to fill the mother back up. Just an idea, America. Stop investing in bombs and invest in America. It's our tax dollars, and we tired of spending it on Ukraine and everybody else. These sons of is. Until next time. I'm out.
And to donate and have your comments read out loud, go to Buy Me a Coffee. BuyMeACoffee.com/JLPTalk. BuyMeACoffee.com/JLPTalk. Or Bond JLP Cash App. Bond JLP Cash App. Amazing. So it's Monday. And we deal with all issues, of course. We take all calls. But Mondays are, and every Monday is, Female Monday.
I like to make men uncomfortable.
All my life I had to fight.
Let women take over.
Some of us believe that women are getting paid less than men.
I proudly say I'm a feminist. Thank you.
Deep in their soul, they want to be home with those babies. We've been lied to for so long.
Absolutely. And it's amazing. It is amazing. Amazing fellowship yesterday. If you were not there or did not watch it live, you missed it yesterday. But you can still watch it. It's not too late by going to rebuildingtheman.com/church. Podcast. rebuildingtheman.com/church. It was more than a notion. And there are men and women from around the world who are working on themselves. And one thing about working on yourself, it's a lifetime job, but you don't regret it. The more you do it, the more you want. I didn't get my updated package yet. I'm trying to find it. It's like the more you work on yourself, the more you want to work on yourself. Because the more you discover the unseen. I gotta go out and find out about my passions, so I'll be right back. Nine presidential candidates. J.D. Vance, a Boeing 737 Caravan vice president candidate.
Exit right.
J.D.
Changing
Vance
roads.
was forced to
Nothing is
make an
permanent.
emergency landing
In 0.1
Milwaukee
miles,
on Friday
keep
after
right.
experiencing a possible
Keep left.
manufacturing with it.
Keep right.
Malfunction.
And then
malfunction.
keep left.
With the door seal.
Keep left.
Shortly after takeoff, a problem with the door. Watch this soundbite.
138, we're going to go and declare an emergency. We got 43 still on board. L1 is leaking and it's extremely loud in the back, but we have no indication that the door itself is open. And door L1.
Video from our 12 News camera at the airport shows the plane taking off again, heading back to Cincinnati. Emergency vehicles did respond to the plane, which we're told is standard procedure. Once on its way to Ohio, the Trump campaign released a statement saying the pilot advised there was a malfunction with the door seal after declaring an emergency. Trump Force 2 returned to Milwaukee. As soon as the issue was resolved, the plane returned to its originally planned flight path back to Cincinnati. Vance's plane now back on the tarmac in Cincinnati, Ohio, landing at about 3:30 this afternoon. Everything here at Mitchell International Airport, once that plane took off, was quickly back to normal.
Amazing, huh? Taking the joy out of flying. Who want to fly now? If the planes are not falling out of the sky, or the doors are not open, or near disasters, they're fighting on the plane. Is it because of DEI? I heard a report a couple weeks ago, maybe last week before, President Trump had to land his plane. They had some type of incident. Something went wrong. What a mess! I want my America back. I want my country back. I seriously doubt. I see no indication that it is coming back. Now, if the Great White Hope get in, and I hope he does, he's going to make it a little bit more comfortable for us, and that the prices of gas will go down. The drilling will come back so people will be able to work and make some money.
Hazard reported ahead. Whatever it is, let's leave room for that whole situation.
From the illegal aliens and drugs. He will build a strong military, rebuild a strong military, so that our enemy would know that we ain't playing. He will bring back
in 1 mile,
police.
Exit right. See it all the way.
To bring down the crime in America. But my country is not coming back. It is over. Why do you think Kamala Harris can run and just say anything and all she does is wave and grin and speak a bunch of lies about what she's about and what she's going to do? She's lying to the masses.
In a quarter of a mile, exit right. See it all the way.
She's just saying things and lying. And she's making these promises to save the people. It's interesting that evil people
exit right. I could really go for a taco.
Promise evil people
in 1 mile.
that
Keep
they're going to
left.
save them. Evil people promising evil people, I'm going to save you. Kamala Harris is making
in half a
all those
mile.
promises
Keep left.
when it's already clear what she's about. We have almost 4 years of her now. But she's saying what Donald Trump is saying, because she knows what Donald Trump is saying is the best for the country. Though she is not for it, she's saying that's what she's going to do. And she's not. She's going to raise taxes. After every crisis, what goes up? Especially when it's a government crisis, taxes. Let me take a quick break. 888-7753-773. When I come back, your phone calls and super chat with them.
Right.
Just watch them or don't argue with them. And then he's going to send his demons after you inside of other people. People know you, people you work with, or whatever. They're going to come after you, your family members. But don't argue with them either. You quietly live your life and you will have a good life.
Will do. Thank you so much for the advice this morning, Mr. Peterson. God bless you.
I wish you well, man.
I wish it's been better. Godspeed. Thank you.
You too, buddy. Thank you. 888-7753.
We see what they're doing at the convention today, this week. So why aren't you providing the people of Chicago with that same...
Thank you for calling BCA Furnished Apartments. Our menu options have changed. Please listen to all menu options before making a selection. Main menu. For rates, press 1. To speak with a housing concierge about a reservation or to report a minor maintenance issue, press 2. If you are arriving within the next week and have questions or would like to check in, press 3. If you have arrived and are having problems entering your apartment, press 4. For a non-life-threatening emergency such as...
This call is being recorded.
Hello, this is Mark with BCA Furnished Apartments. How can I help you?
Yeah, I am calling for Michael Budd. Michael Budd.
Sure. And what is this regarding?
He wanted me to come see him about a washing machine.
Got it. Give me 1 second. Just to clarify, are you currently at the property?
It says 15 Standish Avenue, Brookwood Courtyard. That's where he told me to meet him.
Yes. Okay. He'll be there in the next couple of minutes.
Okay. Is there a specific place I'm supposed to park? Is there an office door somewhere over here?
There's not an office door, but you can park on any of those 12 parking spots.
Okay. All right. Well, I'll be waiting on him. He called, so here I am.
All right. Sounds good. Yes, he'll be right there.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Active blood fucking street. Okay, 60. Wait on Mr. Michael Budd. It seems like we got a contract deal with an apartment complex downtown Atlanta. So I'm gonna see what this guy's talking about. He'll be there.
Card, correct?
Sure.
Okay. I gotta run back to my office to grab it.
You have Cash App as well?
Not for the business. Yeah, I gotta get
no
that.
Zelle and none of that.
Yeah.
No checks.
No, not on me. It's all in my office.
I take check too.
Credit card's perfectly fine for us. I just don't have it on me.
Okay. Whatever you like, my friend.
Okay. I'll be back in about 5 minutes.
Okay. Let's go. Next. I'm gonna go ahead and I got this bathroom first. Pee. It's got a bathroom somewhere. Hello? You use your restroom, man. Wherever it's at. transmission. We're gonna do a quick rinse. Perfect. You can tell the big difference. I don't like how they built this too. So there's a hump here. See
Oh yeah. Lost
some
it.
Mechanical issue right there. So
Let's see the front.
there is no way to flatten that. So be careful.
Okay.
What I heard was three buzzing, and then and it stopped buzzing and it took off.
So is it having trouble locking?
Yeah, because I think this is an engineering issue. That hump shouldn't be there. This is like a millimeter off from the lock going in. In my opinion. See how it's moving? And see when they're closing it, it may be a millimeter off.
Okay.
I would try to adjust it, but there's no clearance. Because I'm not doing it. See, I'm moving this in to push that. So it may be an issue here that you might just have to put a little pressure because it's trying to lock.
Yeah. Was this light off when you were doing that, and then?
Yeah, it buzzed 3 times.
Yeah.
And then I just was, and it caught locked in.
Got it. Okay.
I think this is an engineering. There's nothing we can do about it because of this is a rise, and it's laying right on top of the rise.
But it's like the lid itself might be warped.
Well, no. If you look at it, it's the actual. It's this surface. It's the surface is rising like a hill. You see how it sits on there? Right in here. Right there. Yeah. And that's just enough not to lock. But I can tell the difference. This is defective. Let's see what happens. get that before. You had to cut it off. Now we have to wait for it to stop turning.
Okay.
So yes, it come through here, but I think it's off a millimeter. I would try to like bring it down here. All right, let's try a quick rinse again. Start. Slight.
Yeah, I hear it.
So this is bad. Did you need the part number?
Sure.
I have another vendor that can have another one. They said between the 25th and the 26th of this month. But the part number is,
I'm ready.
William Harry 12 X-ray 20274.
20274.
Yes.
Okay. No problem. But that is good news for this one.
Yeah.
We have a mix. Some of them are this one, some of them are Whirlpool.
Okay.
So
Did you ever solve your problem with the igniter?
We did. I was able to call Avanti directly. They had the part, and they shipped it out in 3 days, and I just swapped it out.
Okay.
Super simple.
Yeah, for you. Card number is?
Card number is 3717 394 630 710 21.
Expiration?
0928.
3 digits.
It's 4 digits. It's 0275.
Oh, this is
American
zip code on the card?
30319. Is there an email?
It should pop up. Okay.
Perfect.
All right, my friend, I'm glad I can help you, and now you just need to lead me back